shit, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna give anyone you need, then waste your time with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and I'm back in another video. You could tell from the title. So today I'll be doing a wig install ginger, but Kimina is not. It's like a brown ginger, like a really nice brown. It's giving very fall. The girls is gonna love it. Really, I really wanted this color. First of all, I'm gonna insert a picture of the color that I end up getting instead of this, and then I had to go in and mix up my own stuff just to get this beautiful color. And I like how the bottom is like more darker and this area is more light, and then the roots is dark, different. And then we're gonna put some curls in it and all of that nice stuff. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all already know, girl. Sit down. We're gonna get a jiggy today. We're gonna look like a baby. She already knows. She gets the picture. But yeah, let's get right into this video.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy.
Driving up through the avenue. My hands so dirty from counting this cash. I need to sell it, I need to clean. I can't fuck the rap game up. They say I better lie. I had to show a nigga last night. Still got some gunpowder on me. Still got some activities on me. Still got some packages.
Ruby kisses and just like blend it on this. I feel like this is the best of the best. Like, I ain't never gonna be. I'm not using my foundation. This is what I got that I never really tried that I want to try. That's something in mind that I'm gonna do. Yeah, I feel like when you get married, then, or when you're getting married, then you won't have to worry about doing your own wig install. Somebody is actually pampering you and doing it for you. Not to say that I won't pay somebody to do my hair. I feel like God just know what he was doing when he was doing it. Because to be honest, y'all, I get my hair done every 2 weeks. And I just know somebody would have been making a bankroll off of me. Because, like, my hair is like, getting my hair done is my, you know, that's my maintenance. Like, that's me. It could be my real hair. It could be wig. It could be a sew-in. It could be a ponytail. It could be anything. But that's what I like the most of, like, of everything when it comes to, like, you know, the fake stuff. But it's like hair. It's like the appearance looks so different every time. You don't look like the same person, which is like, it could be a good or bad, but it's a good thing. Nobody think about the negatives. Knock that out the window. We don't care about that. But to look at it in a positive way, like, nobody is like, yeah, like, if I was paying, if I was getting my hair done every 2 weeks, because I know some people keep their hair for months, baby. I just can't do it. Like, the style be looking so old. I said, And sometimes they probably don't look old, because even my red hair, people saying like, oh, I like that, I like that, I like that. I'm like, girl, I'm taking this out. Why? So, you know, I'm like, I'm taking this out. I need a new look. Like, I need a new look. Like, this ain't it no more. Like, it was nice, you know, having you around, but you gotta go now. Like, you know, you can't stay here. That's how I feel when I get my hair done.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it the record, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. But she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave my marketplace to Easter. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beach stuff. But I be for rapper, cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Johnny came from Mexico. on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time, and they 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind, and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. But I love me a bitch. He on my dick, bitch, she my little secret. He tryna teach me to blow up, I keep it. I can't respond with this good people. It's not just a rest on the beat. You keep it, this shit getting deep and deep. But I did get my shuffle won't be, and I was broke, had to fix it. Stuck in no water, you swim with the look. I hit this day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands, and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hit while I chill my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a sweat, and I called up, they call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost baking the bottom. I woke up the fall one day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't tell them down, pop around with my garden. I'm screaming, I'm YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that you ain't thought of. Sin.
You gonna just give anyone you need and waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need.
When I was in jail, I was low key. Shout out to supporters that wrote with me. Full workout and then go sleep. You know I'm praying, carrying both feet. Then we got God with us. He like an OG. And they want the T on me. I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head. I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head. My niggas owe me. I gotta be singing for a while. You can't control me. Who know those traits in a race? They can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery. It's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they do on my name, turn the soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you blow another pretty part.
First thing, Lambo star, birds of pain. Say they don't fuck with me, they cause they can't. And I'm not acting like nothing I ain't. She let me smash if she had my number. Talking like bitches on my.
So this is the final look, you guys. I went on camera to do my makeup and all of that nice stuff. This hair is not giving. It's not giving. You see, like, it's like a little ombre effect. Like, you could see, like, on this side, it's like, it's giving fall, girl. Like, it's not really ginger, girl, but it's like, it's still giving fall, you know? And I like the way I curl my hair. I just love this wig. The curls is still there. And I just love it. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, what you working with? Show a real bitch what you working with. Pay for this pussy, nigga. Get your bands up. Are you ain't tricking, nigga? I'ma get your mans up. The cold ass. I keep in my business, JT. What you really do? Real big dog, bitch. What's scrappy dude doing all that wacky shit? No.